Hey, welcome back to Hobbies with Jose. I'm Jose Carvajal, and today I don't really feel like building a model kit. Today I feel like building five. Huh? Huh? See, because there's five lines. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's great to have you here again. So let's finally get started with our new Voltron model kit. Now, the biggest challenge I'm anticipating is keeping the parts organized and separated, since it really is 5 model kits in one. But as we do with most model kits, we're going to start with washing them with warm soapy water. Now that we have all of our pieces cleaned, I'm going to give them a little bit of time to dry off here. While that's happening, I'm going to take the pieces that are pre-painted, like the black lion's head here, and strip off the paint. And as always, I'll be using the same mixture that I have in the past, and that's 9 parts 91% isopropyl alcohol and 1 part lacquer thinner. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the painted pieces off of the sprue, but I won't worry about cleaning off the edges until after I strip the paint. And now we just let them sit here for about an hour. So here you can see we have all of the paint stripped off of our pieces here. On the black lion's head, however, you can see a little bit of paint that stuck around on the head, but that's okay. We're going to prime everything up and give it a fresh coat. Before I can even think about painting though, I'm going to start the long task of cutting all the pieces from the sprue and getting them nicely sanded down. So without further ado, let's get started.
One eternity later.
Oh God, my hands, they hurt. Well, that was a lot more than I anticipated, but I got a good chunk done, maybe about a little bit more than half. All of the color pieces are now cut off and nicely sanded, and I've got them separated here. When we come back next week, I'll go ahead and finish off cutting the rest, getting all of those sanded down, and start putting some paint onto our figure. So hope you can all join me for that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Take care, everyone.